Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here. On Pepe, wanted to do an update. Yesterday we did get that beautiful move up. We broke above this level at 2300. I'm not sure anymore what I said in the video. I'm afraid I said that I did not think we were going to break out, in all honesty. But no, we did. I mean, I'm not sure what I said. I mean, we definitely talked about the breakouts and that it was a possibility, because what you saw yesterday is that meme coins in general as a narrative were gaining real momentum. And very often, like this has happened many times in the past, and some of you might know that as well. Very often when a weekend starts with bullish momentum for meme coins, it actually continues throughout the rest of the weekend. Going into the next week, it's a bit of a risk. All right. And in general, when I look at Pepe right now, if you look at this chart definitely looks bullish, but there are some things that I do think you need to be aware of and you do need to be careful for. So that's what I wanted to talk about, because if you look at Pepe right here, like this looks fine. We had that parabolic move right here from the beginning of November, obviously, into the 14th of November. And then we consolidated at the top, which is usually, in terms of structure, if a coin goes parabolic, or at least it looks like it goes parabolic, it's very bullish, and it gets up to a certain level, and then it's able to consolidate at that level or just slightly under that level, which definitely did happen for Pepe, right? Here we topped out, and then we consolidated here. Beautifully drawn. Usually that's a sign that we will actually see some continuation. The problem what I have with this move is that, first of all, it happened in the weekend. Very often breakouts that happen in the weekend are not only high risk, but can also be reversed quite easily. And then there are some massive bearish divergences that I wanted to show. First of all, if you take a look at this right here, so here you can, this is the daily time frame, right? So we're really zoomed out. What you can see is that the price has made higher highs, kind of depending on whether you take the wick or the candle, but it has made higher highs either way. And then the RSI has dropped down significantly. All right, this is a massive bearish divergence between the price and the RSI. But then at the same point of time, like in bullish market circumstances, a divergence like this doesn't actually matter much. But then we also have a massive divergence between the price and the volume. Volume, the last time we were bullish, was around $20 billion. Volume this time around, when we topped out, was just under 6. So with those bearish divergences, look, first of all, I personally just do not recommend trading Pepe right now. All right, we're heading into a next week. The volume is still relatively low across the board as well, especially for Bitcoin, etc. The Bitcoin dominance is actually going up quite a bit. So I would just stay away from Pepe in general. But because of those bearish divergences, I also do not trust it. I think it's most likely here that we will drop down into support at 2300. That's our main support. That's the top of the previous consolidation. The only way in which I can actually start to trust Pepe again is if right now we're dropping down to that level and we'll consolidate on top of that for well, hours at least, but hopefully a couple of days. Then I think the breakout is confirmed, and then I still do think we can go into higher highs right here at 3000. But if we're not able to do that, then and for example, if we drop down to that level at 2300 and we don't find strong support, it's most likely we'll just drop back down into this consolidation here with a lot of liquidations. All right, so be careful for that. Even though this breakout looks great, and on the short term, as you can see right here, Pepe looks great as well, I personally do not trust it, and I think you should be aware that we can have a massive liquidation move down as well. So be careful for that. Keep your eyes on that level right here at 2350. Given the bearish divergences, I would say this is most likely. I can be wrong though, so just do your own analysis as well, of course. But those are my thoughts given the situation right now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.